Canada.
There you go.
My home and native land.
Yeah. Where is everyone?
I don't know.
Oh well.
Well, there was something in the comment stream about what's his real name? Albert being late.
Yeah.
But he also said that he was going to cut a chassis tonight, so it sounded like he was like kind of preparing, you know.
Yeah. That's cool. You can see the laser cutter in the background.
Oh yeah. Ta-da! Yeah, I actually just did this. Where is it? I have a buddy who's printing this for me, but I was playing around on the internet and I found the same extruder, but in plexiglass form. And I couldn't help myself. I had to cut one.
Wow. Cool.
So there's the. Yeah, it looks so good. There's the extruder itself, and then there's the motor and stuff. And there's a little piece of filament feeding in. It's actually pretty. It's not bad. The size was a little off, but pretty close. I think I'm gonna have to cut one more to get it perfect. But I cannot wait until that thing's actually zapping back and forth, making parts.
Yeah, sweet.
And I tell you, I hope people do show up soon because without my fan running, which I just turned off because of the noise, I'm going to get freezing in here like really quick.
Yeah, it's cold everywhere.
It's like 22 here, so it's got to be negative something for you guys.
Yeah, it's negative.
It's 10 below freezing by us, so it's probably -3.
Cool.
I think it's third. How does that work? You multiply by 7/5 or something? I can never remember. Looks like your birds are coming along. I haven't seen the blinky eyes before.
They were always there.
I don't know. It's probably just the fact that I'm always looking for flapping, because your flapping has always been your indication that that network is on.
Yeah. I've been designing the board, so.
Skip over to Let's Make Robots, and did you do a shout or?
Yeah.
But it was the one a while ago. Man, why is everything working so slow tonight? Crying out loud. You know what? Here, I will do it over here. We'll make most of this.
Robot badge! I have the robot badge! Super robot powers!
I can probably Chris is on me while I'm standing here. I thought Pat was going to be here tonight, too. Just surprised he's not here.
Who knows? I don't know. I've been like... I ran out of so much energy, I needed Gatorade. That's like pretty much how my week has been. But you know, they have lemonade Gatorade, so it's like... It gives you energy based on the fact that you think it's summer again. So... Yeah, if only they made that stuff for robots, right? Yeah.
Funny.
Hey, it's the.
I think you could do the same thing with the sunlight. If you just get your light schedule back on track, you'd be all set.
Yeah, exactly. So hey, Jay, that rocks.
Tell you, this is
good. Good.
I came by to see if I'd missed the CNC demo.
You haven't missed anything. We're waiting for everybody to show up. I don't know. Everyone's late tonight. Where's Pat?
Awesome goggles.
Is ready.
They need LEDs on them. Oh, that's so cool. It's totally the new Daft Punk look.
Do you still have me? I just got a little pop-up that said the server is not there.
I hear you.
Okay. I don't know what it is about Google Hangouts. They're great, but they just eat my computer alive.
Yeah, I think I've noticed that too. I don't do a lot of them, but that seems to be a trend I've noticed too.
And I found that. Yeah, and I found that Google Chrome does Hangouts the worst.
Yep.
The irony.
Which is, it makes no sense at all that a Google product won't work with a Google product. It's the plugin crashes constantly.
Maybe I should remember to switch over to Firefox now.
Wow, talk about a good example there.
And he's gone. Yeah.
Wow.
Wah, wah.
Smart water and smart goggles. That's awesome.
I'm just going to be watching today. I just didn't want to watch a lot of them. I can wear these though.
Nice.
This is going to be a bad Wi-Fi connection night. Nice, Pat. Quality.
The packaging was also is to do not like made for simulated combat.
So it's made for real combat?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Sweet.
That's awesome.
Alright, well.
Where am I? Why haven't I popped up?
You said you fine.
Yeah.
Can you? I hate it when you guys can see me, but I can't see me. Oh, there I am. Hey, ho!
You look a lot like red, green.
I love red green. Red green makes me so happy. It's just so. It's like it's just comforting. It's like good food, you know. It's just like everything is safe and perfect and good and oh yeah.
So let's see your CNC process. Process on the project.
Project.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, here we go. All right, you ready? You ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. All right. So.
Wow, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be.
Well, no, it's not. It's just.
Oh, whoa. Okay. Sweet.
Okay, so. Oh, wow. Where do I start? Keeping things flat while I've been welding has been incredibly difficult. Incredibly difficult. Like, well, actually, let me start before that. Good old Ericus bit me clean in the butt. I entered this whole project with the mindset of building the thing is going to be the easiest part of everything, you know? And I'm like, oh, well, I can weld anything, and I'm a cabinet maker, and I can measure stuff well and weld it together, and how hard could it be? And it's incredibly difficult. I thought everything was just going to be like figuring out the spacing and like how far the rails travel and stuff like that, but it's not. Like, I would say 90% of it is getting pieces on a flat surface and getting them shimmed so they're just flat and straight and right, and then tacking them, which is just a little quick zap of a weld, and then checking them again and grabbing a hammer and tapping them till they're straight and square, and re-shimming them, and then, and on top of everything, after I get it all perfect and get all the shims and everything where they're supposed to go, I've actually got to remove it and bring it inside because it's so cold outside that I'm preheating the metal on the stove, and I'm taking it outside like 160, 180 degrees, and then I'm trying to get it welded while it's still hot, so I don't have this little hot spot of weld and cold metal, which makes everything flex and do funny things. So that's been the biggest nightmare. But as we sit now, I've got the base is done. The final numbers are 28.5 inches on the X, which is the gantry, 21 inches on the Y, which is the whole gantry going forward and back, and 8 3/4 inches on the Z.